Welcome back to Guidance Story. In today's video, Alice is going to tell you a story about ordering food at restaurant. Through this story, you'll learn useful vocabulary, phrasal verbs, and sentences that you can use when you go to a restaurant and need to speak English with the waiter. Let's get started on your journey to fluent English. Yesterday was a special day. My friends and I decided to go out for lunch at a new restaurant in town. It was a lovely place, with a cozy atmosphere and beautiful decor. The restaurant had wooden tables, soft lighting, and relaxing music. We felt comfortable the moment we walked in. When we arrived, a friendly waiter came to greet us. He smiled and asked, "How many of you are here today?" I replied, "There are 4 of us." He led us to a nice table near the window, with a great view of the street. The waiter handed us the menus, and we began reading. The menu had many options: appetizers, main dishes, drinks, and desserts. There were so many choices. It had pictures of the dishes, which made everything look even more delicious. One of my friends asked, "Alice, what are you planning to order?" I said, "I think I'll have the grilled chicken salad. It looks healthy and tasty." My friend Sarah, however, wanted something different. "I feel like having pasta," she said. She looked at the menu and found a dish called spaghetti carbonara. The waiter returned with a polite smile and said, "Are you ready to order?" I nodded and said, "Yes, we are." I placed my order first. "I would like the grilled chicken salad, please." Then Sarah spoke. "I'll have the spaghetti carbonara." Lastly, my friend Ben said, "I'll try the steak, medium rare, please." Then, I remembered to ask the waiter about one important thing. "Excuse me, could you tell me if the salad dressing is gluten-free?" I asked, because I have a slight allergy. The waiter checked the menu and said, "Yes, the dressing is gluten-free. I'll make sure it's safe for you." The waiter nodded and noted down everything. He was very patient with us, even though we had special requests. I really appreciated his kindness and respect. While we waited for our food, we chatted about how nice the restaurant was. Ben commented, "It's rare to find a place with good service and good food." I agreed. Yes, and the waiter is very polite and professional. It's important to feel valued as a customer. After a short wait, the waiter returned with our food. Everything looked perfect. He placed each dish carefully on the table. "Enjoy your meal," he said with a warm smile. I took a bite of my salad, and it was delicious. The vegetables were fresh, and the grilled chicken was juicy. My friends were also happy with their food. Sarah loved her pasta, and Ben's steak looked perfectly cooked. When we finished, I raised my hand slightly and called the waiter. "Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?" The waiter nodded and quickly brought the bill. We divided the total and left a tip because the service was excellent. As we were leaving, I turned back and thanked the waiter. "Thank you so much. We had a wonderful time here." He replied, "It was a pleasure serving you. Have a great day." That day was memorable. I learned that ordering food is not just about picking what you like. It's also about communicating clearly and showing respect to the people serving us. Good manners and a smile go a long way. Let's learn some new words from story appetizer. A small dish before the main meal. Example: we had an appetizer before dinner. Medium rare, a way to cook meat with a little pink in the center. Example: I like my steak medium rare. Nodded, meaning moved head up and down to say yes or show understanding. Example: she nodded to show she understood. Delicious, meaning very tasty or pleasing to eat. Example, the pasta was so delicious that I wanted to order another plate. Patient. Meaning, able to wait calmly without getting annoyed. Example, the waiter was patient as we decided what to order. Polite. Meaning, showing good manners and respect. Example, he gave a polite smile and asked if we needed anything else. Replay the video again and practice to speak fluent English with Alice.